Hey everyone, I'm Chris Berry, and I was the CEO of a coaching business that went from $0 to $10 million collected in less than 2 years. I now work with coaches to help them build and scale their coaching programs using these proven systems. In this video, I'm going to share with you one of the best tools that we used in order to get points across, to teach teammates, and make sure that communication, everything that needs to get done, was done in the most effective and proper manner. The tool that we use that I'm going to be breaking down for you today is a tool by the name of Loom. Now, what is Loom? What's the utility, and why is it so important for you to know about this? So Loom, what it allows you to do, instead of having to go through the hassle of sharing your screen and maybe opening up a Zoom and then having Zoom recording, all of this different stuff, Loom allows you to directly share a screen, have a face in it, and instead of needing to try and explain stuff via text message, via email, anything like that, or instead of needing to take the time out of your day to call, maybe when you don't have the time to call, you can go ahead and just shoot a quick video, make sure that the message is very clearly understood, have video evidence of exactly what needs to get done. Therefore, it saves more time and less meetings, less headache, and everything gets done a lot faster. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down how to actually install Loom, how to get everything going, and how you can actually start using this immediately. So I'm going to come here and share my screen with you. So we're going to come here, literally just go to Google, type in Loom. It's going to be the first thing that will pop up. Okay, so now that you're here on Google, just simply open up Loom. Once the website has loaded, you'll see all of this here. You could just simply press Get Loom for free. They make it very easy and simple. You're going to go ahead and sign up. Let's do this just as a test right now, just so you can go ahead and see it. Create free account. It's going to ask you for your name, and then you'll go and do the password. And once that's done, press continue. Now you're going to have to obviously go ahead and verify your email. So give me 2 seconds. Awesome. So now that you have verified your email address, this is where it will bring you. How are you planning to use Loom? Let's say for work. It's going to ask you some different stuff. Let's just keep going along so you guys can see it. Obviously, this is fairly self-explanatory. Test. Continue. Invite teammates. You do all of that. Not now. And then you choose your recorder. So there are 2 ways you can do it. You can just have it directly through your web browser. I personally like just to have it downloaded on my computer. I find that to be the easiest and best way. So if you do want to go a different way and play around with it, by all means do that. If you do want to go my recommended way, just go ahead and press download right here. Just go ahead and do this. You download it there. And then you simply follow the download process. Once you have it downloaded, what will then happen is you'll go ahead and you'll open up Loom here. And it'll look something like this. So you'll see now here, I have a little circle of me, and I can drag this wherever I want to go. So that's the cool part. So if you want that, this is the smallest one. If you press this one, it gets a little bit bigger like this. If you want it to be full screen, just go like this. And then if you want to completely delete it, just simply press the X. And then if you ever want to get it back, just you press that add camera button and you're back. So that's part number 1 to understand. So that's this one right here. And you can also change your camera depending on whatever you want to use. You can also, I always just recommend full screen unless you want to just only share a certain part. You can play around with this as yourself. I always leave it on full screen. And then when it comes to the microphone, you can choose whatever microphone you want. Then once that's done, it's very simple. So once again, we've downloaded the app. We have it here. Now I just simply, I've chosen my camera. I chose my microphone. I just simply press start recording like this. And just like this, I am now able to effectively share whatever it is. So let's say I want to go ahead and share something here. Let's go. I'm going to just do this. Hey guys, I know that based on where you are right now, the speed is maybe a little weird. So what I'd like for you to do, just come on to Google, go ahead and type in speed test, just like this. And then what I want you to do, just press this button that says run speed test. And you'll see we have this here. I just want you to go ahead and have it run all the way through, download, upload, blah, 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 blah. So that's one piece of utility that you can use it for in regards to sharing a message with other people. I'll give you another example though, is even right now, obviously in this exact video, I'm not using Loom for the reason that I need to show you the back end of what it looks like. Hence the reason why I'm recording on Zoom, but I normally do it on Loom. So if you even come here, I'm going to show you a video that if you guys look on my YouTube channel, you will see is there. This is literally a video that I had on YouTube that I'm using to explain how to make a phone number call to action. And I just went ahead, I opened it up exactly like this, and I just started sharing my screen and doing all that. So let me do this for you. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down the creation of a social media phone number, what it entails, how you do it, and then the backend automation. And so the cool thing is that I'm able to make content or share either content for my team or content for other people, for your clients, whatever it is. And I'm able to share my screen while having it not only just be a voice in the background, I can actually have my face on it. It's very simple, as you can see. Like, look, if I press, and then here's the cool, it's so, I'm going to come to that in a second. It's so simple just to start. You literally open the app and it's there and you press start and you're good. And here's the cool part that I like the most about it. Instead of needing to wait for a Zoom recording, anything like that, guys, you literally have it. You choose a name. This is a testing video. You're there. And then you just simply press this button right here, copy link. And you now have a link that you could send to people via an email, via Slack, via text message, however you want it. And now when you take this email, right, and let's say you open up a new web browser or someone clicks on it, when you do this, it now immediately gets brought to your video so that they can just very quickly effectively share whatever and go through everything. And they could add comments, they could add questions, they could have all these different things. So it just speeds up the process. Now, is it the most crazy, groundbreaking thing you're ever going to see? No. But what it does is that it helps speed up your process so you can focus on the things that actually matter more in your business. So if you did find this out, and first of all, this is all that I have for you on this video. Obviously, go ahead and I'll just to make it easy. I know that I said you can go on Google and stuff. I'll include the link for loom.com down below so you can actually download it. And then just start using Looms. Obviously, don't just use it just because, but if you find the utility to get a message across faster, to make content for your clients, for prospective clients, for your team members, whatever it is, then go ahead and start using it. I know that in my business and businesses I've worked with before, it has been a dramatic time saver and has really helped push the ball forward and giving us more time to focus on the things that really matter. So if you did enjoy this video, please go ahead and drop a like. If you do want to hear anything else in regards to technology, software, anything that can help you and your business on that, please let me know down in the comments below if there's anything in general or specific that you'd like for me to cover. If you do like topics like this of how you can learn how to improve within your business to help more people make more money, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I make a lot of videos like this. I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video and hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Hey guys, I wanted to tell you that you are the true coaches and the real students. You made it till the end of the video. Do me a favor, share this with a friend who wants to go to another level. Also, make sure you like the video, comment below so I know who you are, subscribe and turn on your notifications for the channel as we will be dropping more valuable content every single day. See you soon.